What makes a car worthy of a legend? El Mancho built his reputation on machines that roar before they move. Today, we're breaking down the 5 vehicles that cemented his status as the ultimate automotive icon, mixing raw American muscle, exotic flair, and street presence that regular enthusiasts dream about. These aren't just cars, they're extensions of a personality that refuses to blend in. Let's dive into the rides that define El Mancho's legacy that car lovers worship. 1970, Dodge Charger RT. The 1970 Dodge Charger RT ranks number 1 among El Mancho's defining vehicles. This American muscle titan offers 425 horsepower of unfiltered V8 aggression, perfect for dominating both boulevards and drag strips. Its legendary 440 Magnum V8 puts out 480 lb-ft of torque, launching this beast from 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds. The iconic fastback silhouette features hidden headlights and a full-width taillight bar that still turns heads 50 years later. Inside, you'll find a no-nonsense cockpit with a pistol grip shifter and rally instrument cluster. Safety comes from heavy-duty disc brakes and a rigid unibody construction that define the muscle car era. What truly sets this Charger apart is its cinematic presence. This is the car that made the General Lee famous, but El Mancho's matte black edition with gunmetal stripes created an entirely different, more menacing mythology. It stands out as the definitive statement of rebellion on 4 wheels. The benefits extend beyond straight-line speed. Its spacious interior accommodates actual adults, unlike many performance cars. The robust Chrysler engineering means parts remain available and affordable. The Charger's resale value climbs annually, making it a genuine investment. For drivers who want attention without saying a word, this machine delivers instant credibility. With prices starting at $75,000 for quality examples, it offers unmatched presence per dollar for serious collectors who prioritize heritage over practicality. Next up, the Italian exotic that taught El Mancho precision could match brute force. Lamborghini Countach LP5000 QV. The Lamborghini Countach LP5000 QV ranks number 2 among El Mancho's legacy cars. This wedge-shaped supercar offers poster car aesthetics with genuine 180 mph capability, perfect for making entrances that stop traffic cold. Its 5.2-liter V12 produces 455 horsepower through 6 Weber carburetors, creating a shrieking symphony that announces arrival from 3 blocks away. The radical scissor doors and NACA ducts weren't just styling exercises, they managed airflow for that massive rear wing. 0 to 60 takes 4.9 seconds, remarkable for 1985. The cabin wraps occupants in leather and aluminum, with gated manual shifter operation requiring deliberate mechanical engagement. This Countach shines in its absolute refusal to compromise. While competitors softened their edges for comfort, Lamborghini doubled down on theater. The QV, Quattro Valvole, 4-valve heads improved breathing and response, making this the most civilized yet most potent Countach variant. It leads with visual aggression that still influences supercar design today. Benefits include genuine investment-grade appreciation. Clean examples trade for triple their 1980s MSRP. The mechanical simplicity compared to modern Lambos means specialist maintenance, while expensive avoids electronic nightmares. The driving experience demands skill and rewards involvement, creating a bond between machine and operator. For collectors seeking the last truly analog Lamborghini, this represents peak bull. With prices starting at $400,000 MSRP in period and current values exceeding $600,000, it offers historical significance that transcends mere transportation for dedicated enthusiasts. Think American muscle is El Mancho's only language? Wait until you see the German precision weapon. Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evolution 2. The Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16. Evolution 2 ranks the number 3 among El Mancho's defining vehicles. This homologation special offers DTM racing pedigree in a compact sedan package perfect for dominating canyon roads and collector auctions simultaneously. Its 2.5-liter Cosworth-engineered 4-cylinder generates 235 horsepower at 7,200 RPM, with a dogleg 5-speed manual sending power to the rear wheels. The signature massive rear wing and exaggerated body kit weren't cosmetic. They generated downforce and covered wider track dimensions. Acceleration to 60 takes 7.1 seconds, but the real magic lies in chassis balance and steering feedback. The sports seats grip occupants during spirited driving while maintaining Mercedes luxury standards. This Evo 2 sets itself apart through racing authenticity. While BMW built M3s for the street, Mercedes created 502 examples specifically to dominate German touring car racing. The Evolution designation meant serious business, stiffer suspension, limited slip differential, and reduced weight. It stands out as the most focused four-door of its generation. Benefits include incredible rarity. Only 502 units exist worldwide. The bulletproof Mercedes engineering ensures reliability alien to most performance cars. Values have exploded recently, making early ownership look brilliant. The practical four-door layout means actual usability, unlike pure sports cars. For enthusiasts who appreciate motorsport history without sacrificing daily drivability, this Benz delivers. With prices starting at $250,000 for decent examples, it offers DTM championship DNA for collectors who value substance over flash. Up next, a Japanese icon that proved El Mancho respects engineering excellence from any continent. Real question: Italian V12 drama or German racing precision? Tell us below which defines true automotive passion. Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 V-Spec. The Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 V-Spec ranks number 4 among El Mancho's legacy vehicles. This Japanese technological tour de force offers all-wheel drive grip and twin-turbo flexibility, perfect for dominating both mountain passes and import culture mythology. Its RB26 DETT inline 6 produces 276 horsepower officially, though real output exceeds 320, with torque vectoring that defies physics through corners. The Atesa ETS all-wheel drive system splits power dynamically, while the super high-cast four-wheel steering creates rotation impossible in lesser machines. 0 to 60 arrives in 4.8 seconds, but the mid-range acceleration between 60-100 mph feels truly supernatural. The multifunction display tracks everything from G-forces to turbo boost, delivering information that pilots appreciate. The R34 stands out as the final evolution of the classic Skyline formula, before Nissan's corporate transformation. The V-Spec added carbon fiber components, firmer suspension, and a limited slip differential that sharpened responses. It leads with cultural impact that transcends specifications. This is the Paul Walker car, the Gran Turismo hero, the forbidden fruit that American enthusiasts craved for decades. Benefits include legendary tuning potential. The RB26 handles 800-plus horsepower reliably. The all-wheel drive provides year-round usability uncommon in performance vehicles. Values continue climbing as 25-year import laws mature. The four-seat practicality accommodates actual humans. For drivers seeking technical sophistication with unlimited upgrade paths, this GT-R remains the benchmark. With prices starting at $100,000 for legal imports, it offers supercar performance with Honda reliability for serious Japanese car devotees. Finally, the truck that proved El Mancho's taste extends beyond low-slung coupes. Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. The Ford F-150 SVT Lightning ranks number 5 among El Mancho's defining vehicles. This supercharged pickup offers 380 horsepower of practical performance perfect for towing toys and embarrassing sports cars at stoplights simultaneously. Its 5.4-liter Triton V8 features an Eaton supercharger, boosting output to 380 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque, figures that matched Mustang Cobras of the era. The lowered suspension, unique bodywork, and 18-inch wheels created a factory hot rod that Ford never repeated with such focus. 0 to 60 takes 5.8 seconds, quicker than many contemporary BMWs. The side exit exhausts provide a bass-heavy soundtrack that rumbles chest cavities. This Lightning sets itself apart through singular purpose: Ford's special vehicle team created a performance truck without apology or compromise. The handling modifications actually improved road holding despite the pickup architecture. It shines as the ultimate sleeper, a vehicle that hauls drywall on Saturday and wins drag races on Sunday. Benefits include genuine utility. The bed accommodates real cargo, unlike coupe competitors. The supercharged V8 responds dramatically to simple modifications. Values remain accessible compared to muscle car alternatives. The regular cab configuration keeps weight down and aesthetics pure. For buyers needing one vehicle that does everything with attitude, this Ford delivers unmatched versatility. With prices starting at $15,000 for clean examples, it offers the best horsepower per dollar equation in El Mancho's entire collection for practical enthusiasts. That wraps up the 5 cars defining El Mancho's legacy, mixing American muscle, Italian exoticism, German precision, Japanese technology, and blue-collar practicality. Now like, comment, share which ride you'd choose, and subscribe for more automotive legends.